So today we are going to be doing a date night makeup look to go with a date night home dinner. And I have one of my favorite little beauty cuties, Emily Bravo, joining me. She is the creator and owner of Bravo's Beauty. You guys gotta go check her out.
Happy Valentine's Day, food lovers. I'm Honeymoon, and this is Hungry Happy Hippie. You're out.
Hi guys, thank you so much for having me. You're amazing.
Oh my god, you're amazing. She's gonna make me as cute as she is.
Yes, I'm gonna make you look beautiful, even though you already are. Look at that skin. I'm so excited to work on this face.
Bless my dermatologist.
Yes. I'm gonna start with spraying some rose water on you.
Ooh, I love rose water.
I'm really gonna not go shy on the product. Okay, and then what I'm doing is brushing your brows all the way up. Look at those brows. You have like what I would say an editorial brow.
An editorial brow. Ah! Oh my god, that's awesome.
Look at that, because you just brush them up and they just flow so nicely. I'm just gonna match things. Usually I like to blend out my concealers with like a fluffy brush. I think it gives it like a really nice,
that feels good,
fluffy consistency. And yeah, I think this color is good.
Like, I just get dolled up and make good food, which is exactly what we're gonna do today. And it's every Valentine's Day. I dress up, like, up, heels, everything.
That is the coolest.
Hair. And then Keith will wear, like, sweatpants. I'll be completely dressed up, you just have to, like, sweatpants.
I'm so excited to eat that.
Because I feel like I see some of the shadows you're working with over here. I see some chocolatey vibes.
Yes,
Little straw. It's like she's turning me into like a chocolate dipped strawberry.
Yes, absolutely. Ooh, so I get into like the colors you're wearing, maybe a little bit of burgundy, maybe some wine or rosé. Like definitely sparkling rosé, because the lid is gonna be sparkling.
I love it. I'm in. I'm so in. But lately I've been wearing a lot of glosses. I used to be like super matte and dark during the winter, but just am feeling lighter these days. When I first started doing makeup though, I'm so heavy-handed. Oh my word. Like, super duper. Just everything. Like, I would do like a dark lip, a super dramatic smoky eye. That's also because I danced for about 14 years when I was like 4 to 18. And that's just what you did, because no one could see your face anyway. You get washed out on stage.
Yeah, that's true.
So it was hard for me to like adjust from like that like severe level of makeup to like something more normal in like daytime. But I've come to figure it out. And ironically, pink isn't even one of my favorite colors. It's just a color that like looks good with my other favorite color, which is turquoise and yellow. Turquoise and yellow just happen to look good with pink.
I'm usually like flirty, but not too dramatic. Not like,
whoa. I don't even know who I am. I don't know this woman is. Wow. Hello. These are like lashes. Oh, you guys get a nice up close look at this makeup. Ah, oh, it's so cute. Oh, wow. Hello, lashes. Hello. See? Ta-da! Sweet and simple. Oh my goodness, I look so glam. Who is this lady?
Glam galore.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Hair, makeup, and all. Oh my god.
You don't have to. Don't let it.
So cute. This highlight is everything. different level. It's just like natural and
Exactly.
cute and pretty.
It's just like effortless.
I feel like a Barbie doll.
Now
Oh
we're
my
gonna
god!
eat, like,
Yeah, now we're gonna go eat. We're gonna make some food. Yay! We are gonna have bacon wrapped chicken with a mushroom curd sauce and rosemary fingerling potatoes. And we're gonna have room for dessert, which is a chocolate molten lava cake. I'm also gonna top the chocolate molten lava cakes with fresh strawberries and whipped cream. Oh, first we're gonna start with the chicken breast. So I gave it a little tap you saw earlier.
Yeah.
Two little love taps. And you're just gonna continue to massage the skin just a little bit. Spread it out. You're gonna take a little bit of bacon. Start at the top. Hold your thumb right here on the top of the breast. And you're just gonna wrap bacon around it.
This is so awesome. You know, I've never done this before.
You never wrapped bacon on chicken?
Yeah, no, never.
Oh my goodness. So this is a little bit of a thick breast, so she's gonna need two slices of bacon. But I love wrapping things in bacon.
I know.
You know what is one of my weaknesses? I love bacon wrapped dates.
Dates?
I know it sounds like kind of weird, but it's so good. I love bacon wrapped dates.
That's crazy. No way. Okay, that makes sense. I feel like it would be
I
really
feel like
good.
two's not. I don't want to overdo it. Two's good. Alright. And the good thing is you don't really need to really oil your pan or anything. Just get some nice aluminum foil or a really good non-stick pan. The bacon just gives you a bunch of grease for it to roast in, so you're good there. And just a little sprinkle of onion powder.
Yep.
Ta-da!
So nice and colorful.
Right? So cute. And then you know what? This just goes in the oven. That's it. For 30 to like 37 minutes, just check to make sure the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you know your chicken's good. But I'm gonna put this in for about 30 minutes. Check on her. Maybe you can give her a flip every now and then just to make sure all the sides of bacon are getting nice and crispy. But yeah, the oven just kind of does the work for you. It's awesome. So there you go. Oh my gosh, so fingerling potatoes are one of my favorites because they're so darn easy to make. So the trick to roasting a good vegetable is really to ensure you incorporate each part of the vegetable with oil, in addition to making sure each little corner gets some seasoning. So our seasonings are going to be very simple. We have garlic powder, and then I'm also going to grab some sea salt and cracked black pepper. We're noticing a trend here with the spices. So you're going to need a little bit of olive oil, which we're going to drizzle in. For people that need measurements, just put in about like 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. Like I said, just enough to coat each little potato. All right. And then I'm going to add just a few sprinkles of sea salt.
Already go.
And here's our garlic powder. We're just gonna do a few shakes of this. See that? Few shakes. Already smells so good, right?
Yeah.
And then a few cracks of black pepper. For those who need measurements, you can also use I would say open up your black pepper, the powder of it, just take a tiny, tiny pinch, put it in there. But just a few cracks of black pepper is good too. Alright, and the rosemary. What's gonna make this so delicious. So you can just roughly throw it in. It doesn't even have to be fancy. You don't even have to cut it up. I brought a knife because I was gonna be fancy for you guys, but you know what? You're at home. You're cooking for your sweetie. You don't have to do all that. The meal's gonna have you covered on the beauty and the fanciness.
Yes.
Alright. And this is just one rosemary stem so far. And I'm gonna put just one more. little guy.
I love the flavor that it adds to it.
The aroma. I also love rosemary candles.
Oh yes.
And rosemary incense. I have a set right now that's rosemary and mint. I want to put just one more for good luck. There we go. A little pinch. And then, will you do me the honors of shaking this bag?
I love shaking things.
So the viewers have seen me shake up a few things, and I always do the shake, shake, shake. So you're like, yes, she knows. Yes, water.
I know about this.
Look at all those flavors.
I know, that's everything marinating
Oh my
in here.
goodness, looks so good. I'm gonna get sometimes you can feel a little extra with some lemon zest. Oh, you can even smell the, oh God. All right. So time to get this gravy on here. Yum. I'm gonna start with just a little gravy in the middle of the plate.
Oh my god. Yes.
Just right on top of that.
That's beautiful.
And then scoop on our potatoes. Here. I love your exclamations with this. Alright. Get a little colored potato in there too, because these colored potatoes are so pretty.
They're greenery.
Get a little pop of color. Yeah, this is romance. There you go. And it's done. Food is ready. Yay, Leslie. So stoked. Yum. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for dessert. We're gonna take a break and eat this.
Yes.